Right? You can see the sweat coming off of me. Man. Alright. Some right there. And some over there. Oh, the ducklings seem happy. Let's see if they can find it. It's over here, stink butt. Here and there. For all of them. Mr. Broken Winged Duck. Alright, everyone's set. Everybody is set for today. I'll let the families and odd couples. Can you come down? Hold on a sec. Put the lip of my backpack down. Alright. Took longer than expected, but of course everything would have been fine without me anyway. Mr. Broken Winged Duck. Well, they know where it's at. It's right here. Here and here.